If this noise sounds familiar to you, it's probably your BMW door pin vibrating and rattling away in its casing. You can clearly see the play it has and where the sound is coming from. I will show you how to fix this. You will need a couple of screwdrivers, a trim removal tool, a pair of scissors, some masking tape and self-adhering Velcro, preferably the soft side of it. I always start by protecting the surrounding work area to not damage anything. Take your trim removal tool and pry underneath the plastic cover surrounding the door pin. This is where we will do our modification to prevent the rattling noise. It will take some gentle prying around different corners of the cover. Take your time to not damage the surrounding leather. Once removed, you can see the channel where the door pin moves up and down in. The plastic to plastic contact makes the rattling noise. We are going to solve this by sticking a roll of Velcro inside of the plastic cover. Take your roll of Velcro and cut off a small piece. Trim the edges for it to fit completely down the inside of the plastic cover. Use the tip of a screwdriver to thoroughly press the Velcro in place. The Velcro will provide enough cushioning to prevent the sound, but does not interfere with the movement of the door pin. Press the cover back in place. And remove the masking tape. Check your work by moving the door pin. You can clearly hear the before and after. Job done. Remember to subscribe and I will see you next time.